crystals have unique properties, yet selenite seems to be one of the most uncommon crystals I have ever worked with. First of all, the first time I remember consciously seeing selenite was 2012, and I was at the Summer Light Conference and the Lemurian Choir rehearsal. You know, I can see it in my mind's eye just like it was yesterday. I saw the selenite and I thought, I want one. It was truly a life-changing experience. Well, I guess they all probably are life-changing experiences. But back to the subject at hand. Selenite is a softer crystal, kind of translucent. I mean, this one, you can see my finger through the selenite. And it's a little translucent in some cases than others. It may sometimes have the appearance like calcite or quartz, but all three have their place in the crystal cabinet. Selenite is really, in my opinion, the most intriguing because of its faculties. Selenite crystals often form in elongated, translucent, tubular shapes, and they can easily exhibit pearly luster. Depending on where the selenite is formed, the appearance will actually be affected. Some selenite has a tendency to flake off and can easily crack or split. And some selenite, like those that our selenite swords of light are made of, solid enough to be shaped and sanded into the sword's blade without splintering. Selenite is said to be a powerful healing crystal that promotes peace, calmness, mental clarity, and well-being. Some believe selenite can even remove negative energy and help one connect with the higher realms. I have found that selenite is a beautiful crystal all by itself. It seems to amplify or follow the user's intention. In other words, say your wrist hurts, right? When you place the selenite on the wrist and ask it to help release the pain or realign the wrist so it will remember what it was like before the injury, well, that seems to happen more quickly than if you have left the wrist to its own recognizance. Quartz crystals, although they are amazing as well, are powerful healing tools, and they magnify the energy of anything that is near them. So in a healing grid or healing circle, or maybe you call it a healing chamber, you might put selenite in the four corners or the four directions of the circle if it's in a circle, and then ask the selenite to hold the intention of healing or releasing or realigning for a pain-free recipient, whatever your intention is for that healing grid or healing circle. Then place the quartz crystal in between the selenite, and the quartz will then pick up the intention of the selenite and magnify it. On an altar or a sacred place in your home, place the selenite, well, let's see, you could place it in the center, or you could place it in the back, or you could place it in the front. Always placing it deliberately with intention. Then you place other crystals or stones around it, like lapis or labradorite, asking the selenite to help magnify those properties of the other stones. For example, lapis, often called lapis lazuli, might help your communication style or enhance your third eye. Labradorite, near the intention of selenite, can help you with sleep or restlessness and help you rest in your sleep and release anxiety, or labradorite can boost your immune system. You might ask, won't any crystal hold its property on your altar or a healing grid layout? Yes, it will. But selenite, according to Adironda, is a stone from the future that is back here to help people learn how to connect to their personal intention. It is a stone of light and purity. The person using the selenite will have their integrity amplified. It can never be used to harm anyone or anything. It can only benefit the universal energy as a whole. At the Tucson Gem Show that they have once a year in February, I went there and they had a room made of selenite. I mean, the ceiling was selenite, the floor was selenite, the couch was selenite, the tables were selenite, and we sat on the couch and put our feet on the selenite. Oh, I am telling you, Joy and I had to leave and go get pizza right after that because we couldn't drive anywhere. It was really an out-of-body experience. Selenite is a powerful stone, but always remember that it follows the intention of the user. So, when you use selenite, what is your intention? That is something to think about. Let me know. Put it in the comments down below. Namaste, y'all. Namaste.